Hi there, little artists! Are you ready for some fun today? We're going to draw a super cool playground with a swing and a slider. Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. Get your markers ready, and let's jump right in. Let's start by drawing the swing set. First, draw 3 tall pillars. These will hold up our swing. Now, connect the pillars at the top with a straight bar. Great job! Now, let's add 2 swing cradles hanging down from the bar on one side. The swings are ready to play. Now, let's make our playground even more fun. On the other side of the swing set, draw a small house. Start with the door in the middle, then add a triangle roof on top. Looks cozy, right? But wait, how do we get inside the house? Let's draw a ladder from the ground to the door. What's more fun than a house? A house with a slide. Draw a long, curvy slider coming out from one side of the house all the way down to the ground. Whee! That looks like so much fun! Our playground is almost complete. Let's add some grass on the ground to make it look like a real playground. Just draw some short, spiky lines at the bottom.
Wow!
Perfect!
Yes, wow!
Let's make it stand out by outlining everything with a bold black marker. This will make your drawing really pop.
Wow!
Now, let's finish up by drawing a bright, happy sun in the sky above. Draw a circle and some rays coming out of it. The sun makes everything look warm and cheerful. Wow, our playground is looking awesome. Now, it's time to bring our playground to life with colors. Grab your color pens and let's start coloring together. Red color.
Awesome!
Yellow color. Green color. Blue color. Golden color.
Wow!
Orange golden color. Pink color. Purple color. Deep purple color. Indigo color. Ocean blue. Sea green color. Orange golden color. Orange color. Yellow color. Green color.
Wow!
Fantastic job, everyone! Look at that! Your playground looks super fun and colorful. If you had fun drawing and coloring with us today, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and come back for more creative adventures. See you next time, little artists! Bye-bye! Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.